Hi fellas, Ben back again. Something quite interesting over here. So there's some head job being done. The they say that the timing chain got loosened over time because of a faulty timing chain tensioner, and then that led to bent valves. So this has gone to work and it's come back, but the valves got bent. Another thing that I see happen with a lot of Himalayans is that the auto decompressor over here, this fella that kind of releases the compression for you to have easier starts, goes for a toss. This is the mechanism. I just don't know if the camera is able to justify it. So it's like a pivot system. This works because of the centrifugal force. So the cam rotates this way, and that creates a force in the opposite direction, and this kind of the decompressor flattens, and this is good to go as the RPM builds. But when it is closed, there's a small bump which kind of releases pressure in the cylinder. Well, you guys can read about the auto decompression system, but that being said, this has also gone for a toss. So there's absolutely no return action here. I think the spring has gone for a toss. So this is not enough. This tension is not enough for the decompressor to come back to its original position. And because of this, you might hear a lot of noise. You might hear a lot of ticking noise coming out of your engine. This could also be misunderstood as detonation and spark knock. My motorcycle too, I believe, is going through something like this. I will work on this. I will open my engine up and see if the cam is faulty. In that case, I'll have to change the whole thing because you don't get this as a separate part. But we'll see how to go about things. But this is a good example of how an auto decompressor has kind of failed over time. This has to return comfortably, and this spring tension is not enough. This is going to make a lot of ticking noise. Yep, just another update from Kickstart Garage.